Hello, my friends, and welcome to this full body standing stretch. I am here today on the absolutely beautiful Elbow Beach in Bermuda to bring you my final stretch class of 2025. Can you believe it? I want to thank every single one of you for being here, part of this community this year. It has truly meant the world to me. Special thanks to my friends at the Pontiac Artisan Innovation Center in Michigan who sent me this snazzy shirt, so I thought I would wear it. Thank you guys. When you're ready, meet me in a comfortable standing position. Your feet can be about hips distance apart. We'll just take a few breaths here to begin. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. Let's do two more like that. Inhale to fill the chest and exhale to relax. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Starting with a full body stretch. Inhale to reach your fingertips up toward the sky. Grab hold of your left hand with your right, coming all the way over to the right, reaching, stretching all through the left side of your body. As you inhale, reach your fingertips up through center, and exhale, coming over to the left. This time, bring your fingertips up through center. We'll take a twist, reaching your right fingertips back, left fingertips forward. And now let's find that on the other side. Inhaling to reach up and exhale. Left fingertips reach back, right fingertips reach forward. Imagine you're being pulled in opposite directions. On your next big breath in, reach to the fingertips. Can you make yourself even longer? And relax your arms down by your side. Neck rolls, right ear to right shoulder. Pause for just a moment. And then tuck your chin to your chest. Roll your head slowly over to the left. And just take a few of these at your own speed, from one side to the other. The next time your head comes through center, keep your chin tucked, gaze down toward the ground. And to deepen the stretch here, just apply a little bit of gentle pressure to the back of your head, stretching out the back of your neck. With your hands interlaced behind your head, making a little basket, we'll take some cat-cows. So inhale to open your elbows out to the side, gaze forward and up. And as you exhale, close your elbows, gaze down toward the ground, spread your shoulder blades. Take a few more like this at your own speed. The next time you open your elbows out wide to the side, extend your arms out, and then interlace your hands behind your back, drawing your knuckles down toward the ground to open up through the fronts of your shoulders. Let's do some lower body. Release the interlace of your hands. Give everything a little shake out. Shift your weight onto your left foot. Squeeze your right knee in towards your chest. Ankle circles going in one direction and then the other. Slowly find a hamstring stretch, right foot comes to the ground, heel into the ground, sit your hips back, maintaining length through your spine here as your right toes flex up toward the sky. Take one more full deep breath in. And as you exhale, press firmly into the left foot to bring yourself all the way up to standing. We'll do that on the other side. Left knee into your chest, give it a little squeeze. Find some ankle circles going in one direction and then the other. Left heel comes to the ground. Left toes flex up toward the sky. Sit your hips back, hamstring stretch. Press firmly into the right foot, come all the way up to standing. Give everything a little shake. Quad stretch, so shifting your weight into your left leg again. Bend your right knee, bring your right foot towards your glute. Knees stick together as much as you can, see if you can't fall over. Think about tucking your tailbone under slightly as you really drive your knee down toward the ground. Try to fix your gaze on something stationary, unlike the ocean. Ah. And from here, we'll step the right foot back to find a lunge and a hip flexor stretch. Bending through the left knee here, allowing your hips to release forward toward the ground. You should feel this all through the right hip flexor here. Try to breathe into any tightness that you feel. Hands can be to your hips, or if you like a little bit more, extend your hands up toward the sky and come into a side bend over to the right. Step yourself forward, and we'll do that on the other side. So quad stretch, balancing on your right foot. Left knee comes in towards your right knee, left heel towards your glute. You should feel this all through the front of the left leg. And from here, step your left foot back to find your lunge, bending through the front right knee, allowing your hips to release forward as much as possible. And stay here, or you can extend your hands up toward the sky and come into a side bend. Awesome. Slowly press your way forward to come into a standing position. Give everything a little shake out again. Hands come to your hips. We'll fold forward, allowing the crown of the head to be heavy, hinging at the hips. And when you get there, add a little sway from side to side. Keep a gentle bend in your knees here. Notice if you're holding on to any tension in your jaw and your shoulders. Try to let everything just go. We'll take one more full deep breath in. And And then as you slowly roll up to standing, take a big, gentle bend in your knees. As you get to the top, give yourself a shoulder roll or two. And we'll take one final inhale to reach the fingertips up. And as you exhale, cactus your arms out to the side, opening through the chest. And we are done. Thank you so much for stretching with me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you are off to work or off to school, have an amazing day, and I will see you again in 2026. Bye.